Shaki picking langsat. See, we got langsat. So Shaki go climbing on the trees, on langsat trees, to picking the langsat. Then she's scared. She's scared on the hey, be careful, be careful, be careful. Calm down. Enough. Huh? Dan. Shaki seem like me, scared going higher. Hold on. Come up. Yeah, okay, done. Come on. Scared going high. Last time I can climb, but now not anymore. We still got a lot of fruits there. See? But the wild monkey always coming and eat. You need to go? Here. Come here. Come. We got coffee trees. We got menthol guava. We got cempedak. We got durian. And I plant a mango. Shaki, come. Shaki, no, dirty. Shaki. Don't eat dirty things, okay? All my rambutan also was eaten by a wild macaque. See, all the rambutan skin they just throw down there. Now not anymore. You see, you can see the rambutan, but actually the monkey already eat. You see, they already eat and left like that. Bloody hell, monkey! Piru! Nah, then you need to go. The big butt. Piru! Galak. Oh my God, why my lemon fall down?